friends. Hope you all are doing good today. Today I have come up with a recipe that's a cauliflower fry. This is again a complete dry, a cauliflower dry, and it tastes very good with chapati or as a sides for any kind of rice items. First, what you need to do is you need to cut the cauliflower in medium sized pieces, and then you need to keep boiling water, and put these cauliflowers in that for at least 2 minutes, and drain it again. The reason being, again, cauliflower has a lot of small worms. So to avoid that, and to kind of partially cook the cauliflower, will require it to boil it for at least 2 minutes in hot boiling water. So first wash it and keep it, and then again we'll put it in the boiling water to boil at least for 2 minutes. So see here, friends, in a pan I have taken water. It's boiling. So now I'll add the cauliflower to this and drain it again after 2 minutes. See, friends, this is how I have put it inside the boiling water, and these are medium sized onions. So let it boil for at least 2 minutes, and then we'll drain it. Alright, friends, so now I have boiled and kept all these cauliflowers. Not even boiled, it's just for 2 minutes that I boiled in the water to remove all the kind of impurities and worms that are there. So I have drained and kept it. Now to this, what we'll do is I have taken around 10 pods of garlic, and I have nicely crushed it. You don't have to grind it, just crush it and keep. And it's one big cauliflower, so to that I'm adding garlic. To this, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add the juice of one lemon. Take again chili powder and salt as per your taste. The chili that I'm going to put, it doesn't have much of spice. Then to this I'll add a bit of salt. Again, salt is as per your taste. Next we'll add a bit of turmeric. Asafoetida. And I'm adding little bit of the Kashmiri chili, just to give it little color and taste. Next I'm adding a bit of jeera powder or the cumin powder, just to give it a little taste. So what we'll do is we'll mix all these ingredients together and marinate it at least for an hour, so that the ingredients again rinse nicely in the cauliflower, and it gives a very good taste. So we'll rinse it for an hour, and then we'll go ahead and start preparing the recipe. See, friends, now I've mixed all the ingredients together. To this I'll add just a bit of oil, so that the masala sticks to it properly, and let it rest for at least an hour. Alright, friends, so you can see that the cauliflower is marinated nicely. So what we'll go ahead and cook this the cauliflower dry. For that, what I've done is in a pan I'm going to take a bit of oil. And please try to use a non-stick for this recipe, because normally if you need to fry it nicely, you need a kind of a Teflon coating or a non-stick kind of a pan, so that it doesn't stick. So after you pour the oil, we'll add little mustard seeds, cumin, Let it kind of fry nicely. The mustards needs to pop. Now add curry leaves. Now the curry leaves have fried nicely, so we'll go ahead and add the cauliflower. Mix it nicely. Don't reduce the flame. Let it fry first. Let all the water evaporate, and then we'll go ahead and add, if at all it's a little bit, sometimes what happens, the cauliflower is a bit hard. So after it fries a little, you can just, splash a little water and close it and again cook. So let it fry nicely. Don't close it. Don't close the lid. Let it fry nicely at least for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Friends, go ahead and keep, turning it, and don't allow it to stick to the bottom. Let it fry nicely. Keep it on low flame after 5 to 7 minutes, and let it cook or fry. Don't try to cover it. Because if the cauliflower is nice and soft, you don't have to. Some cauliflowers are very hard. Even if you remove it from the boiling water also, it takes a lot of time to cook. So that you need to judge, and if you don't want that to overcook, you can just open in open itself. You can fry it at least for 10 minutes in low flame. And the same way, if it is very hard, please go ahead and add a little bit of water. Just splash water and close the lid. If you feel that the cauliflower is a bit hard, so just close the lid and let it cook. And again, what you need to do is, after 5 minutes, you need to remove the lid and let it fry in slow flame for at least 10 minutes. Friends, so our cauliflower dry is ready. It is kind of a dish that really goes well with the chapati, paratha, fulka, or any kind of rice items. So if you like the recipe, please do subscribe my channel, Hema Havi Lifestyle Vlogs, and do share the recipe with your friends, and you too try it at home. Thank you again for watching.